Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Jessa Collado. I'm 32 years old. I'm a single parent. I have only one daughter, age of 13 years old. I religion, Roman Catholic. My educational high school graduate. I have working experience in Saudi Arabia from September 2023 to October 2025. My contract is finished. I'm served 6 members of the family, 1 couple, 1 elderly, and 3 children. Age is 8, 10, 12 years old. All is boys. My duties there is several. Cleaning, cooking sometimes, tutoring pets, caring, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and also I do gardening. I do pets caring because it's a lot of cat there. I'm willing to take care newborn baby and other members of the family. I'm willing to cut my hair, short hair. I am willing to learning Cantonese language if necessary. I promise, do not use phone during to my working hours. Thank you, Mom and Sir, to watching my videos. I hope you choosing me as your helper. I will do my best to my work and serve to your family with all my heart. Please choose me as your helper. Thank you so much.